Thanks for joining us. We're Real Builds, and today we're out doing a swap meet. We've driven an hour and a half from home base and come to the swap meet. This is one of the biggest ones in the area we're in. It's the QuickTime Swap Meet, and it's a great place to find stuff for your projects. Now, if you're trying to save a buck, it's a great thing to do. Hit the swap meets. It's one of the ways to find parts at a reasonable price. But some homework first. Make sure you know exactly what you're looking for. Have a list. Stick to your list and shop ahead of time to find out what the going rates on stuff are so you know whether you're getting a deal or not. Once you've done that, then it's time to get out and hit the bricks. Come to a few swap meets, find the bits and pieces you want before you start your project. But you really need to do your homework. It's easy to pay too much. It's easy to buy stuff you don't want. Just like going grocery shopping when you're hungry. Have a list, stick to your list. Now once you get to the swap meet, what you want to do is pick a corner to start in and do a walkthrough. Figure out where the stuff you're interested in is. Get here early so you can get a good shot at it. And be prepared to stay till pretty close to the end, because that's when a lot of deals come up that you're not going to get earlier in the day. So we're going to start in that far corner and take a walk through, see what we can find.
Sure, yeah. See you a couple blocks. Yeah, man.
So, as you work your way through the crowd, you're going to find by watching the tables that there's a little bit of everything. That's why you got to know what you're looking for. So you'll find everything from magazines and literature right through to blowers and injectors, complete vehicles, custom cars. And it's easy to get distracted. And it's easy to spend more than you want. Which is why you need to have your grocery list, for lack of a better term. The other neat thing about a swap meet is everything's negotiable. You can make an offer, you can negotiate. There's all kinds of options. And it's also a great social event. This particular swap meets about 100,000 square feet. It gives you the chance to see a lot of people you haven't seen in a long time, make new friends, get lots of advice.
Working things out.
We keep talking about how motorsports is for all ages, and here's a good example, Junior Dragster. Kids up to teenage. Vintage, classic, performance, drag race, custom. Artwork. But the trick, again, is to know what you want, know what you're looking for, and methodically go through. And know what you're willing to pay before you start. And again, remember, these guys don't want to take this stuff home. And the later the day gets, the better the deals get. But you got to offset that with lots of guys come early, find what they want and grab it while they can. So we're just getting ready to head out of the QuickTime swap meet, and huge place, about 100,000 square feet. All kinds of great deals, it seems, for everybody but me. Couldn't find anything that fit my project list, but my friends got some great deals, and unfortunately, because I couldn't find anything, I couldn't give you a good example of negotiating for something. But again, swap meets are a great place to find bits and pieces for your projects. The QuickTime swap meet is one of the big ones in my area. There's another one in the spring, so I'll be back with my list and we'll keep looking for our project parts. And this is just one option and one of many, so keep shopping.